Imagine a software that allows you to transform your ideas into reality with just a few clicks. That's the magic of VCarve Pro. This potent tool is your gateway to creating intricate three-dimensional models with enviable ease. Its versatility is unmatched, serving both beginners dipping their toes into the world of 3D modeling and seasoned professionals seeking a flexible solution. VCarve Pro is the embodiment of user-friendly design, offering a seamless blend of power and simplicity. With VCarve Pro, the only limit is your imagination. VCarve Pro isn't just a software, it's a toolbox brimming with features designed to make your design process seamless and efficient. Now let's dive deep into these features. To start, VCarve Pro offers impressive 2D design and management features. These allow you to sketch and edit designs with ease and precision. You can edit text to suit your needs, and the node editing feature gives you granular control over every detail of your design. Whether you're creating intricate designs or simple, clean lines, VCarve Pro has your back. But let's not stop at 2 dimensions. The software also caters to the world of 3D with its 3D modeling features. Importing and editing 3D models is a breeze with VCarve Pro. Whether you're working with existing models or creating your own from scratch, the software provides an intuitive and user-friendly platform to work on. Now let's talk about toolpath creation. This handy feature simplifies the process of selecting tools, determining cutting depths, and setting speeds for CNC machines. With just a few clicks, you can set up your machine to create your design exactly as you've envisioned it. This feature is a real game changer, making it easier than ever to bring your designs to life. But wait, there's more. One of the standout features of VCarve Pro is its simulation capabilities. This feature allows you to preview your designs before manufacturing. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you the future of your project. You can see how your design will look when it's done, and make any necessary adjustments before you start cutting. It's a valuable tool that can save you time, materials, and a lot of potential headaches. So there you have it. From 2D sketching to 3D modeling, from toolpath creation to simulation, VCarve Pro is packed with features that streamline your design and manufacturing processes. With features like these, VCarve Pro brings the power of advanced design and manufacturing right to your fingertips. But what does all of this mean for you? How does VCarve Pro benefit you in your design and manufacturing processes? Well, imagine saving time and cutting costs, while maintaining precision and accuracy in your designs. Picture creating complex three-dimensional models with a few clicks, thanks to VCarve Pro's user-friendly interface. Envision having a wealth of support resources at your fingertips, ready to assist you every step of the way. In a nutshell, VCarve Pro is your ultimate partner for all your design and manufacturing needs. In the world of design and manufacturing, VCarve Pro stands out as a game changer. Its powerful features like intuitive interface, precise modeling, and advanced toolpaths make it a formidable tool. Whether you're a beginner exploring the world of CNC machining or a seasoned professional seeking efficiency, VCarve Pro has you covered. The software not only simplifies complex tasks, but also opens up a realm of creative possibilities. So get ready to bring your ideas to life in ways you never thought possible with VCarve Pro.